want to understand types of windows
Okay, sir.
with images.
Yes, yes. Saurav, can you share that images? Saurav,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please share the images of casement windows and casement doors.
Sure, sir.
In the meanwhile, I would also like to answer. There was a question from a lady regarding reinforcement, which was between the presentation. If you people allow, I can answer, or if that ma'am can is okay, I can answer that question.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay, ma'am, you can you repeat your question? The question was that I think you asked that what sort of reinforcement we should use, right, ma'am?
Yes, and the thickness of your
Right.
reinforcement.
See, there is a basically you have to understand first the reinforcement what we are using. It acts like a bone of the body, right? And the profile what we are using is act like a skin of the body.
Okay.
So there is a different sort of properties every things need to perform. Like in skin, a profile having a different sort of property which basically light it should not get tanned, it should not get cracked. The reinforcement basically work like a bone of the body as a layman. So that basically the property is to give the strength to the windows, strength in a different sort of form, in a form of
Okay.
when you are using a window on a higher high raised buildings and a, a big spam or a small spam. So the thumb rule says at least 1 mm reinforcement thickness is minimum required in the outer frame. Normally we used to say it's chokhard, and 1.5 minimum requirement in the sash part of the windows, right? But in the case of like when we are telling that our windows are designed for 3000 pascals, it means that on 3 kPa a particular UPVC can work. But for that there is a calculation which is known as wind load calculation, which drive from IS 7583, IS 7583 part basically 3 from which basically circulated by the IIT Roorkee, which basically tells the facade calculation for a particular zone or a particular region, right? In that case,
Okay.
what we have to do, ma'am, we have to see which terrain a particular site is there, and in that particular terrain what is the height of the building, and what is the last 50 years the average wind speed is basically being calculated or being noted by the weather conditions, right, ma'am?
Okay.
So we have to calculate we have to do a calculation accordingly. IS 875 basically or which basically indicates you that what sort of reinforcement, the thickness of reinforcement is required. Might be on the height of 30 plus floor or a height of 50 floor short of buildings. We have to use 2 reinforcement also, or the 2.5 reinforcement also. And sometime because of a different terrain, we need to add a hurricane bar also, which hurricane bar it means additional reinforcement part along with the body cover of the UPVC profile that comes on the vertical sash of the window to give a multiple strength to the particular sash. So for us a normal understanding, you can understand, ma'am, that 1 mm in the chokhart, the outer frame, and 1.5 in the sash, which is the minimum requirement of a reinforcement is there, right, ma'am?
Okay. So basically it depends on height and weather,
Yes,
I
I,
guess.
I I I already told you that 1 mm and
Mhm.
1.5 is minimum requirement, and if you goes upon the height and on that, the reinforcement get changed. It's all
Okay.
depend on the calculation, right?
All right. Okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Saurabh, can you share the sheet of different sort of windows, designs of windows?
So this is the corner section of the casement series.
Sir, this is the casement series. Casement series we used to say the window and door having the palla, the traditional one, the palla, the sash one. Normally जो दरवाजा हम लोग देखते हैं, so that one is the casement one series. If you can see, the second one is showing the window with the grill system. You all people have already might be have seen or installed in at your home also. The window having the grill between, and there is a bug mesh sash which is inside of that portion, and there is a glass side outside of the portion. These all are the part of casement series. Can you shift it to next one, Saurabh?
Your voice is very low, sir. Could you please increase your
Is it okay now?
Yes, sir. Now it's okay, sir. Could you please repeat, sir, what I have to do?
Can we shift to the next one? This one is the casement first part, which is having the grill windows and normal casement windows. Okay, there is a two questions. One is from Miss Anita Shahu. This kind of window is good for detachable house which has only single story building or apartment who has multi-story. I would like to inform you, Anita ji. Basically, we are working with most of the builders, and we are working like buildings height or floors having 40 floors also, and more than that also. So this sort of window you can use anywhere, any sort of designs, any sort of building designs, any sort of floors, you can use that. But you just need to be careful that a technical reference you basically need to have from the company people, that what sort of design and how it should get reinforcement, how it should get more strength. That is only much required. Is it okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
sure. Thank you, sir.
Okay. There
Okay.
is another question from Miss Ayushi Gupta. So we have already discussed the advantages of UPVC. I want to know disadvantage of the same. Can you please? Uh, uh, Ayushi ji, I just want to let you know. See, you have to see the trend of the windows or anything what India is basically following. Like initially, or you go. I think it's a more than 60 to 70 years back or 100 years back. You see, mostly in India, people used to use wooden windows, right? And after that, the trend came of aluminum one, which basically started from the European market, which basically we have shown you in presentation also. Ritesh have basically described you. And after that, in India, the trends came after 40 to 50 years, when basically European was using that sort of different windows, right? And then India adopted that aluminum trend in year of or approx 85 or 90s. Then people start using aluminum in India. Still in Europe, there is no replacement of UPVC till now. And in India, the trends came from last, you can say 20 years. 2000, basically Veka started, it's almost 60 years back. But in India, it's 2000 and 2002 we started working, and now it's 20 year. And in Europe, there is particular, till now there is no replacement. It's only because the features of the windows, right? So if you see the disadvantage, what I actually see or what I can understand, the disadvantage is only if a person is not doing the proper workmanship, not giving the proper strength to the windows, then the size limitation can come. That is the only disadvantage you can talk about the UPVC. Otherwise, if you talk about any sort of features or compare the available product, currently available product in the market, you will find UPVC is an upper hand, because it's one of the best product for insulation, either insulation from sound, insulation from heat, insulation from dust, and insulation from water. So it's one of the best product. I think, am I clear, Ayushi ji?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir. I want to ask sir one question.
Please tell me.
Sir, as compared to sir, would have some small holes in there, but in UPVC window there's no hole, so ventilation problem is there.
Uh, you are, I think you are asking about pores.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. See, basically we have to look the windows with a different sort of view. See, normally actually what is happening, a window is the area which basically insulate the particular cavity, right? So
Yes,
when
sir.
actually you are looking any sort of building in architects, like there is a leakage portion of particular, like if you talk about roof, there is almost all something around 35 to 40% leakage, the heat leakage from the roof portion. I'm talking about the concrete roof and all. If
Yes,
you
sir.
talk about the side wall, there is again a leakage portion of something around 15 to 20%. If you talk about the floor, there is still some sort of leakage around 8 to 10%. Window is the portion which basically one of the biggest area, or you can say the area or the cavity which basically uh, don't able to insulate, or basically leakage percentage goes of the building around 45 to 55%. So one of the biggest leakage portion basically done by the windows, right? So when we talk about the windows, rather than in India, I'm talking about, because if you see of the European market, it's purely different from India. In India, we have a different sort of heat problems is there. We need that heat should be outside and the cool air should be the inside. That is our requirement. If you talk about the European market, they want heat inside and their specification is different, right? So when we talk about the UPVC, you need a proper insulation. If you see the design of the UPVC, we have a biggest insulation properties, or the product is there by the gasket. The gasket is the one of the rubber one. You can understand by the very layman example. If you have seen the fridge, your refrigerator in your at your home, see the whole insulation of the refrigerator depends on the door gasket of that refrigerator. There is a gasket on the door,
Yes, sir.
right? And when the door get closed properly, there is a magnet process, because we used to supply gaskets and the magnet strip to all sort of refrigerator company, for Whirlpool, for LG, Voltas and all. So if you see, the whole insulation purely depend how the proper tight the door get sealed. If your door will not seal properly, the refrigerator I'm talking about, the whole the cooling mechanism will get fail. So window you have to look like a proper insulation. It's not by the pores of that. For the ventilation, there are a lot of different hardwares are available where you can ventilate, where you can tilt and half tilt the window and the ventilation can happen. But for a window, you need a proper insulation, a barrier from the outer heat to the inside heat. If you see, your UPVC window is having a chambers. There are 3 different chambers. We works like a basically barrier for all these things, for heat, sound, dust, even for water also,
Hmm.
right?
But-
So
yes, sir.
you have to see a product for the insulation.
Hmm. Yes, sir. Sir, one
I
more
think,
thing.
am I clear? Yeah, please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me.
सर द वुड है ना, उसमें जो शाइन है वो ज्यादा होती है यूपीवीसी के विंडो के मुकाबले.
I
तो
accept. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूंगा that aesthetic you are talking about. See,
yes sir.
your name is, I think, Mr. Gaurav, right?
Yes sir.
Gaurav ji, see, please understand. See,
Hmm.
there's a different sort of products available in UPVC also. If you have
Hmm.
gone through the presentation, you have seen in UPVC, we are able to provide a different sort of color and the lamination,
Yes
which
sir.
basically will give you the aesthetic look. अभी आप
Hmm.
aesthetic की बात कर रहे हैं. I was talking about the features. अब
Hmm.
aesthetic पे अगर मैं आता हूँ, तो we are available with different sort of grains, a different sort of shades in UPVC. जो if you see from the outside, you will find it's a wooden one also.
Hmm. Yes sir.
Okay, it will look like a teak one. It will look like a walnut color. It will give you look like a gray color. If you want, it can give you a look like a black color also.
Yes sir.
So aesthetically, there are different sort of shades available in UPVC also, जो कि आपको बाहर से या अंदर से if you'll find aesthetically, it will give like a it will if anyone see, he will find it's a wooden windows only. So that is also available,
Okay. Okay.
right?
Yes sir.
Anything else?
No sir.
Okay, thank you. I think there is again a message from Miss Bhavna Nagar. Can we use with stone frame, sir? And we can make our furniture with UPVC. Right. Okay. Yeah, we can use on a stone frame also. There is no issue at all. Anyhow, its window is one of the good thing is that I want to let you know the process of window. You please understand. Like we are the profile manufacturer, we make it in a log of 20 feet of length, and then we send it to our local fabricator. A fabricator is having all sort of machineries available. and the profile basically reach their point, and then they fabricate according to the actual size from the site. Please understand why I'm telling you this. Most of the time you have seen the people or the carpenters working at the site, they are taking measurement, then cutting the windows, then adjusting according to the cavity. Sometimes it's diagonally out also, which basically affect the site of that cavity. In UPVC, a proper workmanship is available. So what a person do, he take the measurement in length, in the width, and also in diagonal. So a window should basically work diagonally fit also. So it gives a good aesthetic look as compared to the other ones. You can use on wood, sorry, you can use on stone, you can use on a cement concrete. That is all basically available in this window. If you talk about the furniture, UPVC, basically there are a lot of creativities basically available in this market, and most of the people are doing it also. Like they are making like a functional tables and all for this UPVC, but it is not suggestible, or you can't. We don't suggest us to do that, because UPVC currently, as a globally, we are using for the this doors and windows only.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right, ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Ritesh, can we show the images?
Yes, sir.
Ritesh, there is a question from Vikas sir also. Okay. Ritesh, can you start from the first one?
Let's start with lights of windows.
Window and door and design. Yes. Sir, these are the we are having the casement series. In casement series, we have the fixed one. The first one is the fixed one, sir. The second one is the casement one having the palla wala. The third one, I already told, the casement with security grill. If anyone want to put or install grill, there are two options, sir. Either they can put the grill on the cavity also, or this sort of designs also. These are the three different designs. Top hung, like normally people use for a kitchen one, or this toilet windows. People go with the top hung, where they want for a ventilation. They can basically open the sash, and wherever you leave that sash, it will get parked because of the friction stay. In tilt and turn, again, this is one of the best window for like if you have a requirement at your bedroom, or in night if you want a ventilation, you have this sort of one of the best windows, where you can tilt this window for a ventilation purpose, and the time you want to open it, the whole window can open and can work like a full casement windows, the side hung. Then we are available with the arc windows also, for all heritage building style, or English cottage style. If you want to suggest this sort of window, we can provide. This is the combination window, sir, where having the casement, fixed, top hung, all sort of design we can provide. The another one is the bay windows, where you want a glass joint for a wider view, for a good aesthetic. We can do this also. The sliding one, even with the Georgian bark, available in the available in our list. The second one is the fold and slide. You want a bigger opening, sir, for like if you want to divide a big hall, if you want to a party hall, or and all these sort of, where the you want a bigger area. Whenever according to use, you can divide, or according to use, you can make partitions. So you can go with this sort of windows. It's called fold and slide. It will give you the whole full almost 100% opening. This is a lift and slide, sir, again for villa type or a koti type style, where you want a portion, like if you're from your back sides and you're going to that garden area, and you want having an opening of 10 feet by 5 feet of sash, a single sash I'm talking about, or almost 15 feet of and 8 feet of sash of a single sash, you can use this sort of window. This is a lift and slide windows. You can have a bigger cavity, and within a two sash span, you can use this sort of windows, and can give a bigger, wider opening to your cavity. The next one is the smart fold, sir. This is almost like fold and slide. But the best part is that in fold and slide, all the sashes are depending on each other. While you are opening it, it will get connected to each other. But in case of smart fold, every part of the sash are work like individual, and you can open it, and there is basically all the sashes are independent sashes. It's not connected to each other and gives a very seamless view, you can say. It's one of the good accepted market in influencer market, and people like architects and people like you, people are preferring these sort of windows. These all are the lamination colors which we are offering. We are having other color also. First three is basically matching to the all wooden designs. The anthracite gray is something which is matching to the high-end aluminum. So there is a query about from your side. What about safety and security? Sir, I just want to let you know the whole windows, whatever we are providing, and any sort of UPVC is having a reinforcement inside, right, sir? Even we are having the grill option also, and the glass. What I'm talking about, you are having the option from 4 mm to 32 mm. You can go any sort of security glass. And that security glass, any bulges there, that any security glass need to cut down to come inside.
Okay, sir, question from Vikas sir is that can we provide safety grills in sliding doors and windows? Is there?
Sir, in sort of sliding, I got the question.
Yeah.
In case of sliding, sir, we need to put grill on cavity only, sir, because on a sliding windows and doors, see, the whole sashes is overlapping to each other, sir. If we start creating a gap between that, then the whole insulation. So in case of sliding, there is a two-way. Either we can put the grill on the cavity of the window, or have a two-track windows requirement. And vision with put grill on the third track on the provision. But still, aesthetically, we will suggest you, in case of sliding, better to go with the cavity grill. That will be more feasible, or that is more preferable, sir.
Hello, Vikas sir.
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone question? Is there any other questions from?
Students, you can ask any questions from your side.
Sir, your voice is not audible up to the mark. Could you please type your question in the chat box?
सर ये जनरली यूपीवीसी की लाइफ क्या होती है?
Okay, it's a good question. Thank you. Hello. Yes.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm audible, na?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
See, this is the product. Basically, we have used even for a 50 years also, and there is no problem at all till now. But I just want to let you know, whenever we are putting a product, we are giving a 10 years warranty on the particular window and door. But still, if India we talk, we have seen a windows even a 20 years back what we put in Delhi and still working. There is some sort of changes we have to done in hardware that we have done, because hardware are something which is sometime because of different like functioning and all, it can break or a problem on a function can come. Particular window itself is having no issue at all even after 50 years. So it's only the hardware that need to get changed.
Okay, sir.
Any other questions from any member? Dear Rajiv sir.
Hello.
Yeah, please tell me.
Any questions?
No,
Sir,
sir.
there is a question, I think someone is asking.
Hello.
Yes, yes, you are audible. Please ask.
Sir, my question is that कि जब वीकेंड मतलब हम जो लेमिनेट वगैरह इसके अंदर कलर वगैरह कुछ फेड वगैरह होने का इशू भी देखा जाता है क्या यूपीवीसी विंडोज में?
See, it's already explained in presentation also. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूंगा. See, there is a two type of different, like white windows is a basic color of the UPVC. It's the origin of UPVC, and if we are basically using a good titanium for that. Like we have the windows we are putting in Jaisalmer market where temperature goes 50, and we are putting the same particular profile in Kashmir, Leh Ladakh also, and we have done some army camps also where temperature is -30 also. So in all the extreme condition, we basically put that sort of composition. In that, titanium is very much one of the you can say is the main core component which basically required with the finest source and with the proper percentage of that compound. If you are putting the proper percentage of the compound of that titanium, and you are taking titanium from the finest source, your window will never get fade. So we are using Kronos. Kronos is one of the best in the world, who is making one of the best titanium in the world. Is one of the France company. You can search on the Google also. We are taking titanium from the Kronos and putting as per EN 12608. This is a standard. As per that standard, you need to put all the portion of your compounding, the element in that. And if you are using that, your window will never get fade.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Rajiv sir. Thank you so much. It seems like that we have covered all your queries. Thank you, sir, for sharing your knowledge and answering all the questions.
Thank you, students. I'm really very much thankful to you to all. You people came and we just discussed on this. And Vikas sir, I'm really thankful to you. You basically arrange all that. I'm really thankful to you, sir.
Thank you, Rajevji and Saurabhji. It's a very good presentation. Helpful.
Vikas sir, could you increase your volume?
Now,
Hope so, sir. We have answered all the queries.
yes, sir. We are
Expert answers. Thank you, everyone, for connecting us. It was really a memorable session.
Yes, sir.
If you have any query in future, you can mail us on the email ID or on the Facebook or Instagram. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.